Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the series of lectures on Python programming language offered by Undergrad Academy. So today we will look at the sets in Python. So first of all, let's have a look at today's agenda. We will first of all look at what are sets in Python, examples of sets, methods and functions of Python sets. So first of all, let's see what are sets. A set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. In Python, sets are written with curly brackets. So here is an example of sets. Here I have declared a set 1, which is equivalent to this curly braces 1, 3, 7, 8, 7, 5, 4, 6, 8, 5. And if I print this set 1, the output which I will get is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will remove the multiple occurrences of a particular element. Moreover, it will order the set. So here I have the set methods and functions. First of all, we have the add method that adds an element to the set. We have the clear method that removes all the elements from the set. We have the copy, which returns a copy of the set. Discard removes the specified element. Pop removes the element from the set. And if index is not given, then obviously it will remove the last element. Remove removes the specified element. Union returns a set containing of union of sets. And update the set with the union of the set and others. So let's have a look at all of them in our PyCharm. So here I have opened my PyCharm and I have declared this set, that is 137875468 and now let's run this, and there you can see that it will remove the multiple occurrences as well as it will order the set, and it is declared by denoted by this curly braces. So if you want to find the index of a particular element, if you want to find at what element is present at this particular index, then let's run this. So it will say that the set object is unscriptable, so you cannot find the element present at a particular index because of it is unordered, so you can't find the element present at a particular index. So here let's remove this because it will throw errors later. So here I have declared another set that is the same set, and I'm passing this set in a for loop. We will discuss the for loop later, and I'm printing the set in order to get the values of the set. So here I have got all the values of the set, but if you want these all values in a same line, you can pass the AND here, and in this I will pass the gap in order to get the gap between the elements. If I remove this gap, then I will get all the elements together. So let's have a gap here. So here I've got all the elements present in the set by using this for loop. So if I want to add element in the set, I'll pass that element in with the function add. So let's run this. So here I've got this element. Because of this AND, it is concatenated on the same line. So let's print \n here so that we can get the next line, new line. So let's run this. So I have got the new line and I have added this orange in the set. So I have got the apple, cherry, orange and banana. Because it is a set, so it will add this element at any index. It won't add the element at a particular index. It won't add the element in the AND. It will add the element at any index. So we can also use this update method in order to add the elements in our set, but we will pass this in the form of a list in the update method. So here I've got this set in the end, and of course it is unordered and unindexed. If you want to find the length of the set, we'll pass it in the length function. So here I had this set that is apple, banana and cherry, and of course its length is 3, so I've got 3 here. If you want to remove a particular element from a set, we will pass it in this remove function. I want to remove this banana from the set. So here I've got cherry and apple because banana is removed. You can also use the discard method to remove the elements. So I have also used here the discard method, and I also want to remove the banana. Let's change it to apple. Let's run this. So here I've got cherry and banana because I have discarded the apple. So another method to remove the elements from the set is using the pop method, but as the sets are unordered, so when using the pop method, you will not know which item gets removed. So let's run this. So I've got a cherry because the element that was removed is cherry here. Because I have printed which element I want to remove, that is I have assigned that element to X and I have printed that element here. You can also clear the entire set by passing it in the clear method. So I've got the empty set here because I have cleared all the elements of the set. I can also delete the set, but it will throw errors. Let's run this. So I have deleted this set one, and now as the set was deleted, so it is saying that name set one is not defined. So let's remove this as it will throw errors later. So here I have declared a set A that is A, B and C, and set B that is 1, 2, 3. In order to concatenate them, I will pass the set B in the union function, set A dot union set B, and will assign it to set C, and let's print the set C. So here I have got the entire set, that is 1, A, 2, 3 and B and C. We can also update the set using the update method by passing this set2 in the update method. So let's run this. It will also concatenate both of these sets. So I have got the output. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching us. Please take up some time to subscribe to our channel, kindly like the video and share with your friends, and comment your queries in the comment section below. Goodbye. See you soon.